It was like just yesterday you lit up the world with your smile. You never really liked your smile, but I did. Maybe it wasn't perfect, but it was yours. And I liked everything that was yours. Your smile, your face, the way you walked and the way you talked, because only you did the things the way that you did them. And no matter where I look, I can't seem to find it twice. But every day I'm reminded of you by the songs I listen to that you gave a meaning to. The smell of your favorite food, and when the rain falls on my roof. Because ever since you left, it hasn't stopped raining. I can't seem to sleep at night. I even leave a light on just in case this is all a dream and you come home. And every year when I celebrate my birthday, you won't be there to celebrate with me. And on your birthday, there will be no celebration. Just memories of you and a bunch of tears streaming down my face. Because I love you. But now that love has no place to go. I question how many tears you cried by yourself. And I wish I could have been there to wipe them all away. Because you were loved. And you still are. We miss you every day. And there is nothing we can do about it. No superhero and no prayer in the world can bring you back. I know that everybody's got their reasons as to why they do the things they do. But you didn't have to do that. But now I'll never get you back. The world will never get you back. And it will never get to see another you. Because that's how magical you were. 1 in over 7 billion. But now you're gone. And I'm here. And I wish you were here with me because life is a beautiful thing. And I wanted you to be alive to see. And right now losing you hurts. But I will always carry you in my heart. Even though I'd rather walk by your side instead. I wish you could see these clouds pass by. But I know you're on the other side of that rainbow. I miss you. I guess I'll get to see you on the other side then. I love you. Don't forget that.